Okay, guys, part two. We are almost $600 from the 5K. Okay, so let's do this another video. Okay, $5 to the 5K. Let's see if we get the target. Okay, guys, so we got to the 5K, 529, almost topped it out, almost, but well, it didn't. Okay, guys, so that was it. Just wanted to show you the potential of the program. Okay, so without human intervention, okay, when there's volatility, okay, Monday, Tuesday, and part of Wednesday were completely dead. Okay, so as you, what I wanna tell you for your knowledge. Okay, for your knowledge, when you see the scaling of the price, okay, so if it's in increment, okay, of 20, market is in volatility. When for example you don't want to trade manual, this is the program that you need. Okay, so if you're tired of losing, or you don't understand how the market works, it's better to automate your trading. Okay, so it's difficult, guys, else you're gonna be buying combines, and you're gonna get to nowhere. So it's very, very difficult. Okay, guys, so that was it. Just wanted to show you the potential of the program. Okay, that's all that I wanted to show you, and there is nothing to brag about. It's just to let you know that it can be done. It's possible. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.